Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Windows 11 "No bootable device found" error. This message usually points to one of three things: incorrect BIOS or UEFI settings, a loose or faulty connection to your storage drive, or a corrupted or failing boot drive. We'll start with the simplest checks and work our way to recovery tools so you can get back into Windows as quickly and safely as possible. Begin by entering your BIOS or UEFI. Restart the computer and tap the setup key as soon as the screen turns on. Common keys include F2, F10, delete, or ESC, but it varies by manufacturer, so watch the screen for a prompt. Once inside, find the boot settings and confirm your primary drive, the SSD or hard drive that has Windows installed, is at the top of the boot order. Next, verify that the system is set to UEFI mode and that any legacy or CSM options are disabled, because Windows 11 requires UEFI. While you're here, locate the SATA controller setting and set it to HCI if it isn't already. If you're unsure about previous changes, use the option to load BIOS or UEFI defaults, then save and exit. A quick note: if your system was intentionally configured otherwise, document your original settings before changing them. If the error continues, power down the computer completely and unplug it. Open the case to access the internal components. Carefully locate your storage drive and reseat both the data and power cables, making sure each clicks firmly into place. If you're using an M.2 NVMe drive, verify that it sits flat in its slot and that the retaining screw is snug, not over-tightened. Close the case, reconnect power, and try booting again. If it still won't boot, use Windows recovery options. On another computer, create a Windows 11 installation USB. Insert it into the problem PC and boot from the USB. Choose your language, then select Repair Your Computer to open the advanced options. Run Startup Repair and let Windows attempt to fix boot problems automatically. If Startup Repair can't resolve it, consider reset this PC to keep files or remove everything, or perform a clean installation of Windows. Be aware that a clean install will erase all data on the boot drive. For advanced troubleshooting, check your motherboard manufacturer's website for a newer BIOS version that may improve compatibility or stability. You can also run built-in diagnostics in your BIOS, if available, or use a bootable diagnostic tool to test the health of your drive and confirm whether a hardware issue is present. Follow these steps methodically, and you'll pinpoint the cause and get your system running again. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.